Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to disconnect Facebook from Instagram. Let's get started. To begin, open up your Facebook app on your device and go to Menu and tap on the gear icon located at the top part of your screen. Then from here, click on See More in Account Center and then go to Profiles. You can see here that in my account, Facebook and Instagram are connected. So to disconnect the two, just click on your account and you may choose your Facebook or Instagram account. In my case, I will choose Facebook, and across the sync profile info text, just toggle the button off and click Stop Syncing. After a short while, when you go back to Profiles, you see that you now have separate profiles for each account. So that means that Facebook and Instagram are no longer connected with each other. And that's it. You now know how to disconnect Facebook from Instagram. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!